Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to share your hotspot on Android. Sharing your hotspot on Android allows other devices to use your mobile data for internet access. This feature is useful when Wi-Fi is unavailable and you need to connect laptops, tablets, or other phones. The steps may vary slightly depending on your Android version and device brand. So to begin, unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Open the Settings app, then tap on Network and Internet or Connections. Select or go to Hotspot and Tethering. Tap Wi-Fi, Hotspot, or just Personal Hotspot. Turn on Wi-Fi Hotspot or Personal Hotspot switch. Tap Hotspot name to view or change the network name. Set or check the password for your hotspot. Choose a secure password if needed. Then adjust hotspot settings like security type if available. Turn on mobile data if it's not already active. On the other device, go to Settings and open Wi-Fi settings. Choose your phone's hotspot name from the list and enter the password and connect to start using the internet. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.